Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching!
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. I don't know what I did with the clip of me braiding the front, but I just parted her hair from ear to ear, parted off 2 sections and braided those sections around like a square and separated the back from the front and braided a perimeter braid, which you see here. Now you guys know I'm team pre-part, so I separated her hair into, I think maybe about 8 sections in the back because her hair is really thick. And I'm going to braid those sections down. But before we go any further, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. We have some great things coming, so make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure you are subscribed. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and of course you should be subscribed on YouTube. So make sure you follow us. Now, after I parted her hair off into sections. Now, parting in sections when you're dealing with thick hair is very important. I combed through it, and then I'm going to add the Perfect Assist Styling Aid, which you will see on your screen momentarily. Voila, the Perfect Assist Styling Aid. Now, the Perfect Assist Styling Aid, you guys, is a moisturizing styling aid, so it does contain water. Anything that is a moisturizer, it contains water. Now, I use the styling aid on the root of her hair and on the tips of her hair mainly. Now, you can use it down the whole length of the hair, but as I braid her hair down, the styling aid is going to travel down my finger, so it's going to work its way down the length of her hair. But if her hair feels really dry, I'll just add some more styling aid down the length of her hair. Now, as you can see, I'm adding it on the ends of her hair because her ends are the oldest and most fragile part of her hair. Now, the styling aid does fight frizz and it fights odor. So if you're a heavy sweater in your head, it helps to fight odor. So it helps your hair to smell good longer. And it also moisturizes the hair so your hair is not so dry and brittle when you take your protective style out. A lot of times we protective style our hair, but we don't moisturize and take care of our hair underneath the protective style. And when we take our hair down, it's so brittle and it's just breaking because it's so dry. So that's why the styling aid is so important when you wear braids, when you wear weaves under your wigs. And the styling aid isn't greasy, so you don't have to worry about being greasy, but don't slather it all over your head. Now, as you can see, I'm braiding her hair down, but I'm not braiding it, gripping it tight to the scalp, because you want to grip the hair, but you don't want to pull it too tight to the scalp because you want to be able to get the crochet braid underneath the hair without adding unnecessary tension to the hair. And I hope that makes sense. Now, I'm going to link that braid to the next braid and grabbing the braid at the top. Now, when you link the braid, you want to make sure that you're not pulling the hair up too tight. Adding styling aid again to the root and continuing to braid. Now, this is what I mean why you don't want to grip the hair tight. The crochet braid should slide smoothly underneath the braid. You shouldn't have to tug and pull and add tension to your hair like that. It should slide smoothly underneath the braid, and I'm just showing you guys how I install the crochet braids. But you can install them in the direction that you want them to go in. Now, also I want to address the amount of styling aid I add to her hair is because I know how long I want her hair to stay up. So if I add more of it, that means I want it to stay up longer. Now, I love her eyebrows, y'all. I just had to take a minute. I love my daughter's eyebrows, but she doesn't like me to arch them because she thinks it makes her look like a 12-year-old. Let's check out how her hair, that's her natural hair braided on the side, is as shiny as the crochet braids. That's what the styling aid does to your hair. There's no fake hair in her little squares on the side of her head. There's no fake hair added into that. I just used the styling aid and it's not greasy. This is a back shot of the crochet braids. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.